Justice Robert Brutinel and Vice Chief Ann Scott Timmer were in Sierra Vista for what they're calling their You Say Hello, You Say Goodbye tour as Brutinel prepares Timmer to take over as chief in June.
That it's a good idea to, we transition, to see, well, what has worked, what hasn't worked, what needs to happen, and just get a little bit more a sense of on the ground of what's going on in the different court systems.
Chief Justice Robert Brutinel and Vice Chief Justice Ann Timmer met with the Cochise County courts to go over what they've accomplished in Brutinel's time as chief and what they hope to accomplish when Timmer takes over.
Arizona has developed a national and even international reputation as a justice system that is progressive and is willing to try new things to try to make our justice system work better.
He says the courts have worked on making justice more accessible, jury reform, and how the courts handle people with mental health needs.
There's lots of things that are going right in Cochise County. They work very hard. They care a great deal about the community. I think they serve the county very well.
In Brutinel's 5 years, he says 99% of his strategic plan initiatives have been completed. Timmer says it's time to build off what the chief is leaving behind.
Has to be the number one goal for people to have access to civil justice. I've moved up to a number two goal, the public perception and such, and public confidence in the judiciary.
She says it's important the public trusts the courts, and by visiting all the counties, they continue to learn what the communities need. To sit in on the last meeting of the day with the chief, vice chief, community leaders from across the county, and the local judges. Timmer shared some of her initiatives that she plans to put in place when she becomes judge in June. One of those is how the courts can help law enforcement with those who need mental health services, something the law enforcement in the room says the county could benefit from. On Tacoma Street and Coronado Drive in Sierra Vista, Alexis Ramajulu, KGUN 9.